Another fantastic Range Rover Sport. 3 litre diesel, HSE dynamic, Fuji white, 24,000 miles. All our cars are right. So this car's full Land Rover service history, all been maintained throughout its life. Still under Land Rover warranty till 2022. And this car's a dynamic, so you get some extra features. If you go on, you know, if you were building one of these cars, you'll see the HSE Dynamic is expensive car new. List price on this car will be just short of £80,000. Now then, you've got dynamic bumpers, so the front section is finished in gloss black, all colour coded, and then you've got them big inserts. 21-inch wheels, which have been done in gloss black as well. I've said it, 21-inch wheels for me on a Range Rover Sport, they're the right wheels for the car to perform right. You've then got your bonnet vents and side vents in black and grey, contrasting black roof, fixed side steps, privacy glass, just looks beautiful. And then the big difference on a dynamic, as you come round the rear, you've got that big twin exhaust, but you've got this colour-coded section here as well. Lovely LED lights. Now, the big thing for me, what makes this car, the car's white and a black roof, so they're the big ingredients. People love a white Range Rover Sport. But then, it's all keyless. You've got this beautiful interior, which is red along the dash, and then you've got the red leather with the Alcantara. Now look at the condition of this car inside. The leather is beautiful, the bolster, everything is stunning, which always shows you how a car's been looked after, how crisp the interior is. Full memory heated seats. Car's covered 24,456 miles. Now with it being a dynamic, you get a different steering wheel. So you get a slightly smaller, sportier feel steering wheel. Another key extra, sliding panoramic roof, not a fixed glass roof, that opens. Again, these are big extras on cars. The colour of the interior, white, glass roof, it's what people want. So then we've got full digital display, so you can see you've got your map there, you can change it to digital dials depending on how you want to do it. Touchscreen navigation, which has got your Apple CarPlay, you've got your reversing camera, you've got all your in-control apps. Then you go into your climate, you've got your digital climate control, you've got your heated seats, and then you've got your different driving modes, just to show you. With it being a dynamic, you've got a dynamic driving mode. Again, as you can see on the display there, so that just enhances how the car performs, so you get more of a sportier feel and more of a dynamic drive. It's just more enjoyment, more quicker and better to drive. Again, you get all the luxuries with these cars as well. So in the back, when I open it, you have rear heated seats for your rear passengers. And look at the condition here again, the door cards, the rear upholstery is all beautiful. And there you can see you've got your rear heated seats. All your kick plates are illuminated, as you can see at the bottom of the doors. We've spoke about the back bumper and the dynamic bumpers. It does make a big difference. You know, when you buy a standard HSE, this section here is normally like a grey colour, and all the time customers are asking if we'll colour code them and get them looking like that. Well, this car, with it being the dynamic, it's got it. Again, lovely boot cover there as well, just to protect it and keep everything crisp and in lovely condition. Also, we've got a full-size spare, which makes a big difference. So this car's going up for sale, £56,990. It's beautiful condition, even the wheels and things, not a mark on it. LED lights, full Land Rover history, just another fantastic example. Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic.